scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Atomic radius questions get easy fast when you compare shells first, then nuclear pole, and spot which species must be biggest without overthinking anything. Start with sulfur 2-. That ion has electrons filling 3 occupied energy levels, while oxygen and fluorine only reach the second level, so S2- must have the largest radius. Now compare oxygen and fluorine. They sit in the same period, so they have the same number of occupied shells, but fluorine has more protons pulling electrons inward harder. That stronger pull makes fluorine smaller than oxygen, so the order from largest to smallest is S2-, then O, then F.
Well done, Option A. Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rush. Trust given trends and check steps so shell count and nuclear pull stay clear.